I see Cisco as a huge responsibility. We're the critical companies that build the first wave of the internet. Helping our customers migrate to V6 is important to us. And what our customers asked us is that, hey Cisco, what are you doing to migrate your own networks to V6? And that's when it hit us, and we said, okay, let's take the first step forward. Let's migrate an entire campus, an entire building to V6, and then create a blueprint that other people can use on what are the steps they need to migrate from V4 to V6. We started this planning of this in about January or so, and when we started executing within a 90-day period, we roughly executed an entire building, 500 plus users towards a V6 only, a single stack network. When you try to migrate a set of users who are used to certain set of applications and services on V4, you need to provide them the same services on V6. It's not negotiable, else there's no motivation for them to move. What we did is that, partnering with Cisco IT, we migrated many applications to their V6 version. And there are also applications, there are also websites that only are V4. For example, bbc.com, and then a combination of NAT64, DN64 to get there. The last one is also, we have certain islands of V4 only, like our labs, which don't even have domain names. So we had some interesting solutions to try to get over that as well. The user mindset in moving to V6 is really important, especially when it's engineers. We've been used to A.B.C.D forever, all our lives, and it's important for us to be able to migrate to the V6 terminology. There's just an amount of anxiety and fear that this may not work, or what will happen if this happens, because we're so used to a certain way of doing some things. What we did is that we made sure that we are able to partner with our engineering teams to provide them information, provide them literature, provide them war room support to make sure the transition is as seamless as possible. Because when they're bought in, then they're going to have others also bought in with them. If you look at the campus and overall V6 overall, it has, like I said, there's a business rationale for moving from IPv4 to an IPv6. Things like there's more readiness of IPv6 devices now, content, operators already have moved to IPv6. There's also a whole notion of 50 billion new devices coming online in the next couple of years. That's like 1 million devices every single hour. And the last thing is around operational simplicity. You see data centers moving from virtual machines to microservices. Cisco data center, for example, has about 40,000 virtual machines. That translates to 400,000 containers. If we don't have V6, we can't get there. And there's also an operational cost on trying to manage dual stacks, or managing the experience of a user when you have 3 or 4 translations. So it has real business value for us.